Karnataka struggles with 45,590 teacher vacancies, appoints 51,000 guest teachers. Free speech has limits, says USC President amid campus turmoil and AI shift. Maharashtra cracks down on misleading international, global, and CBSE school names. National Mathematics Day 2025 honoring Srinivas Ramanujan's timeless genius. Canada students visa explained, application, study permit, and post-study options. Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I'm Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: Karnataka faces a short of 45,590 teachers across 41,088 government primary schools, with only 1.3 lakh of 1.7 lakh posts filled. Government high school also report 12,134 vacancies out of 44,144 sanctioned posts across 5,024 schools. To address this, the state has appointed 40,000 guest teachers in primary schools and 11,000 in high school for 2025-26 academic year. Special teachers have been hired to support students with disabilities. Salaries of guest lecturers were raised by rupees 2,000 after concern of lower pay. Rising cost of eggs and bananas in school schemes are being addressed through rupees 1,591 crore charitable fund. Health officials clarified there's no widespread of cancer risk from eggs. USA Interim President Byung-Soo Kim says universities must uphold free speech while enforcing rules, stressing that lawful protests are fine, but free speech doesn't mean you can break the rules. In an interview during his India visit, Kim addresses US higher education challenges including federal research cuts, immigration anxiety, layoffs, and AI in classrooms. He said that USC has weathered funding volatility through diversified research support and remains committed to Indian students despite policy uncertainty. Kim defended cost-cutting layoffs affecting about 3% of the staff, calling them necessary to protect academics. On AI, he rejected bans emphasizing AI literacy and critical thinking. He reaffirmed that USC's commitment to open dialogue, controversial speakers, institutional values, and global academic collaborations. The Maharashtra government has decided to strictly scrutinize school names to prevent misleading use of terms like international, global, and CBSE. In a circular issued on December 15th, the Education Department noted that several state board, ICSE, and CBSE affiliated schools were using such labels without meeting eligibility norms, causing confusion among parents and students. Schools can use global only if they operate branches in multiple centers and international only if they are affiliated with boards like IB or Cambridge. The term CBSE was also termed illegally inappropriate in school names. Authorities will be reviewing existing schools and future proposals requiring name changes before approvals. 11 new schools using international and currently under verification. National Mathematics Day is observed on December 22nd to mark the birth anniversary of Srinivas Ramanujan, one of the India's greatest mathematicians. Instituted by the Government of India in December 2011, the day celebrates Ramanujan's extraordinary contributions, with 2012 also declared as the National Mathematics Year. The observance is highlighted to the role of mathematics in the scientific progress, innovation, and everyday life. December 22 holds special significance as Ramanujan's work in number theory, infinite series, and mathematical analysis continues to influence modern research worldwide. The day also reflects India's rich mathematical heritage, from the invention of zero and the decimal system to scholars like Aryabhatta and Bhaskara II. National Mathematics Day encourages students and researchers to engage deeply with mathematics. Canada distinguishes between a student visa, which allows entry, and a study permit, which authorizes students to stay and study. After securing admissions to a recognized institutions, applicants must apply online for permit up to 3 months before the travel. Approved students receive a port of entry letter and visa for ETA, with a final permit issued after an interview on arrival. Applicants must submit documents including an acceptance license letter, passport, proof of funds, medical exam and police certificate, and meet English proficiency requirements such as IELTS. Student permits have conditions on work and institution changes. After graduation, eligible students can apply for post-graduation work permit, that is PGWP, offering work experience and pathways towards permanent residence.